Hi there. Namaskar, Jai Guru, Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum, good morning. From C and on behalf of C. Me, Prasad here, Rajendra Prasad, Maharana Rajendra Prasad. This video is for those people who are aspirants of SSC, CHCSL, OSSC, ASO, OJS and civil service, both state civil service and central civil service. Now I am going to talk to you about 1.5 crore rupees. Yes, 1.5 crore rupees, and I am not bluffing. 15 million rupees we are losing because we are not getting it. Let me explain how. Assume that we got any clerical job about 35 to 40,000 rupees a month. That makes it 4,20,000 rupees a year. 30 to 35 years of service gives you 32.5 into 4,20,000, that is approximately 1.3 crore rupees. This 1.3 crore rupees, if we are not getting, then we are losing, and most of the time it happens because of a single digit score in English. That is why we are here. You don't want to score 90 to 95% in English, or do you want? Just keep watching this video for another 3 to 4 minutes. Between your dream and your achievement of the dream lies a bridge called discipline. Disciplined thinking, disciplined output, disciplined comprehension, disciplined skill, disciplined reading, disciplined practice and disciplined thought process that you are going to achieve it. Your belief, disciplined belief that you are going to achieve it is going to get you through. Now question is, why me? I have realized from 2 decades of teaching and training, your Achilles heel, your competitive examination and your changing pattern of competitive examination questions, the exact pedagogy that is necessary for you and what you need exactly to qualify in this examination, particularly SSC and other clerical level examinations. This course is designed, scripted and going to be delivered by me and me. This full course is about 120 to 125 hours of training, 80 to 85 classes, about 1.5 hours of duration of each class, and that is makes it 6 to 6.5 months. For people who are seriously serious, yeah, I repeat, those people who are seriously serious, there are weekend classes and you have to sit about 2.5 hours in a class. So in evening and morning, evening 8 to 10:30 p.m. and morning 5 to 8:30, 5:30 to 8. So Sunday and Saturday we can sit together to take you through English. A detailed course coverage will be given to you at the demo class. Most of my classes are inductive explanations and extempore examples. We shall discuss in this class, apart from completing your course, the syllabus, apart from completing the syllabus, we will discuss, I repeat, we will discuss, you and me will discuss about 2000 detection of error, 700 direct indirect speech, about 700 active passive voice, about 200 transformation of sentences, about 100 to 120 close test, 125 to 150 paragraphs, 100 to 150 jumbled sentences, and approximately 200 do as directed. This comes in some examination, it does not come in every examination. Structural vocabulary. Have you ever heard of this? Yeah, I am asking you, have you ever heard of something called structural vocabulary? It is because these are the vocabularies that are key points in a sentence. And we are going to discuss, and I will help you write about 50 essays in the class itself. We are going to discuss how to generate the idea, how we are going to generate the idea right in the class as if you will be writing it in the examination. About 15 passage, about 15 letter writings, and in this course I have designed the introduction to translation. Introduction to translation from Odia to English, and retranslation from English to Odia. We can do it from other languages also. Now, where we are heading for? हम लोग मिल के कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going? The objective is we are going for an improved reading skill. What I mean by that? Improved reading skill means reading about 200 to 300 words per minute. I'll tell you in the demo class why it is necessary and how that can be achieved. For an improved comprehension skills, generally we understand English sentences by words. If we know vocabulary and we will get a sum total of this vocabulary, arranging it in the same order we get, it does not happen in paragraphs, comprehension paragraphs, and in particularly competitive examinations. The whole is more than the sum of the parts. I repeat, the whole is more than the sum of the parts. This is something you have to realize how that happens. Then we are going for an improved thinking skill. We need to think, our thinking should be trained. We should know how we can think convergently, divergently, and sometimes nonsense thinking. Yeah, I repeat, nonsense thinking. That is necessary. We need to think in that. And writing skills, as I told you, inductive writing, deductive writing, compare and contrast writing, apart from your how you are going to implement that in précis writing and all this. Now, my dear, I have seen you for this very long time. I have seen the diamond in you. Each and every graduate who is coming out of the college is a diamond in itself. You can achieve this 1.5 crore. But even a mind diamond needs cutting and polishing to be in the showroom to improve its value. This course I have designed to do exactly that. This course is going to cut you, polish you, so that your value is added up to 1.5 crore rupees or about 15 million rupees. You don't want to lose this 1.5 crore rupees just because your English is weak, or just because you are coming from a different medium other than English medium, or just because you have never given importance to English. No, don't lose heart. You are not alone at this time. I am with you. Now, call the person who sent you this video, fix your date and time for a demo class. If you want to ask me anything on this, I know this is a one-way communication, but if you want to ask me anything, you can ask all these things right over there. And you can ask me in any language, such as either in Odia, Hindi, Bangla, Gujarati, Tamil, or English. I can speak to you. Absolutely no issue on that. And I'll tell you how I'm going to make it achieve through you in that demo class. Do stay there. On coming Sunday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., call and fix your day, date, and time previously on Zoom or Google Meet. Make sure you have got a good internet connection. Now, would you mind, sir or ma'am, forwarding this to the aspirants of CET, SSC-CGL, CHCSL, OSSC, ASO, please? Would you mind, ma'am and sir, to forwarding it to +3 continuing students, PG continuing students, BTechs, homeopathic grads, and all respected parents? Would you mind it to forwarding this to OS and IS students, banking and student? We have separate courses for them. For civil service it is separate, for banking it is separate, and forwarding of this shall be obliged sincerely from my end and shall be rewarded tangibly. Please call 700-8186-794. I repeat, 700-8186-794, and check with me the how, when, and what of this. So I cordially invite all of you, parents, teachers, guardians, mentors, and students, to be present at the demo. Ask me whatever you want to ask me, comment and suggest. Be sure before you refer me to yourself or to somebody else. Yeah, I repeat, you be sure before you referring me to yourself or to anybody else. तहे दिल से शुक्रिया. Please set a reminder, and I am waiting for you to meet you at the demo class. Thank you very much.